probably 2 cans of peeled potatoes going in. And then we got about 3 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken. Or in my case, this is smoked chicken that I did in my backyard, but most of y'all are just gonna get a rotisserie chicken, pull it all off. We're gonna go in with some cooked bacon for this awesome, nice, hearty fall soup. It's kind of like a chicken chowder. This is definitely gonna be a hearty soup that you're gonna love. We got a little fire roasted corn in there. So we got a little chicken, potato, corn chowder. Thicken this up, not the traditional way. We got a little peppered gravy mix here, a little packet gravy, if you will. That's going in. It's gonna add some great flavors in there. It's gonna give it that nice, thick and rich, luxurious texture, consistency. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little salt, pepper, garlic, barbecue rub. Guys, I use barbecue rubs in all my cooks, whether I'm outside or inside. It's a great way to impart some good flavor in there. Okay, so about a tablespoon or so. Check it out. Going with a little bit of chicken broth going in. This will be 4 cups. And then I'm gonna add another 4 cups of water. Let's get the water in. Guys, I'm using my Ninja Impossible cooker. It has a slow cooker setting, so like a crock-pot setting. So that is why we're using this, but use whatever crock-pot you want. It's gonna be the same setup. We're gonna go in with about a cup of cream, heavy cream. Let's give that a good stir. This is gonna be a hell of a tasty meal. See, when I make a soup, I want it to, be a stick to your ribs kind of soup. You know what I'm saying? That good smoky bacon in there, the smoked chicken, all the good flavors. Get that lid on, and we're ready to go. We're gonna take this and set it on the high setting for about an hour. Maybe check on it halfway through, but it's just a simple dump everything in the crock pot and you'll be eating good in about an hour. All right, I'll see you in a second. All right, y'all, it's been an hour. We've got our beautiful chowder here. It's looking great. Let's go ahead and serve up a bowl full. Whew, looking good. Y'all, this is way too simple. I hope you give it a shot. It's got a lot of great ingredients in there. It's a nice, hearty, warm your soul kind of soup. Let's get a bite. Now, I was thinking if y'all wanted to take a little immersion blender in there, it would definitely thicken it up a bit. But for me, this is just a nice, it's kind of reminiscent, or has a little of the Super Toscana vibe that you get at Olive Garden, but smokier. Let's get a little bite of everything in there. This is gonna be mega hot, but it'll be worth it. And while I stall here and wait for this to cool down a little bit, tell me what you would add to this little chowder here. I think you come up with some good ideas. All right. Well, guys, so much flavor. Get on this, baby. I'm gonna finish this up. Make sure you try this, because baby, you know it's good.